In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a pulsing material animation. This material animation is being looped forever, and I'll show you how that works. Here are the full nodes, and I'll zoom in shortly. There are two principled BSDF nodes being mixed. There's a color ramp node next to it, and the node is connected to the mix shaders factor. There are two texture nodes connected to the color ramp node. The last two nodes are optional, as they won't make much differences by their generated point settings. Notice how one of the BSDF node's color is connected to the emission. There are four things being animated, and one of them is the emission strength. In order to loop the animation, we must use the same value for the first and the last frame. The mid-frame should have a different value, and that will make a looping animation. There is one more animating value, and that is the mesh's Z rotation. That's how this material animation was created. Let's briefly see what each node does, and how they can be customized even further. By the way, I don't know if this is a bug or not, but even though there's nothing connected to the base color, the secondary color changes when I change the base color. We'll lose the first node's metallic status, once the second node's emission value increases. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.